Good morning. I'm Sandra Lohr, founder of Expat Pros Advice. Today, I'm headed over to MGM Insurance Advisors for our next series, A Seat at the Table, where we're going to talk about health insurance here in Panama. So please, why don't you join me and get your seat at the table?
Founder of MGM Insurance Advisor. We has been almost 30 years, as a insurance brokers, okay, and we specialize in health insurance. And we has been helping a lot of expats that are planning to move here to Panama to get the proper health insurance for them. We mostly work with the Family Medical Care Health Insurance from Pan American Life Insurance Company of Panama, which is the company that doesn't have age limit, cover pre-existing conditions after a certain period of time, and is very affordable. We love to help. We're gonna help you all the way, all the process, since you contact us until you get your policy.
Well, now that's what I have personally experienced as a policy holder. I've been very happy with the level of service that I've gotten from Luis's team. And tell me, Luis, how many other insurance agencies do you work with?
Well, we have our main partner in that way is the Pan American Life Insurance, but we work with all insurance company here in Panama. We can mention a few of them, Blue Cross and Blue Shield, and also with Worldwide Medical, ASA, also Panamanian one, and Mafra, and then all of those companies we can work with.
So a lot of questions that are asked of me since I've been here almost 5 years and established Expat Pros Advice is, how do you find the insurance company that you want to work with, and what's the process? And you've mentioned, Manuel, that there are no age limits, but how does one find you? Do you have a website? Are you on Instagram? Tell us how to reach you.
Well, nowadays it's very important to be in Instagram, and we also have our website, okay, so you can look out for us, MGM Insurance Advisors. Once you contact us, we are gonna meet with you and ask you what you really need, what you really interested in, because there are many insurance plans that you can buy here in Panama. Okay, that depends on your age. Okay, that also if you are only interested in local insurance, or do you want international insurance. Okay, after we talk to you and you let us know what you really want, then we can within our portfolio of health products, we can see what is best for you.
So I know that you work with expats throughout Panama. So you have clients located all over the country. Isn't that right, Luis?
That's right. We got clients from Cherokee to Panama City, around the country. We are visiting them all the time, trying to get connection with them, and feel that they are safe with us.
Well, I have certainly been made to feel safe with you, and which is why I refer you as often as I do.
Thank you.
So how many expats are you currently working with? Do you know?
Well, I think around 40% of our portfolio are expats.
Wow. So you have really made a footprint with expats in the insurance industry here. So now I understand that Pan American Life is based in New Orleans, is that correct?
That's right. That's where their main office is. In New Orleans, it's a American company that has been established here in Panama for 110 years. Okay, was the first company that offer health insurance to people that work at the canal. Okay, and right now is the number one company for health insurance here in Panama.
The number one company is Pan American Life.
That's right.
And I'm sitting at the table, having a seat at the table with the number one company offering health insurance here in Panama.
Well, actually, we are the number one insurance broker advisors for Pan American Life.
Well, now that's quite an accomplishment.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
That means that you are really doing a great job of taking care of people and gaining referrals from happy clients like me. So you mentioned earlier, Manuel, that one of the really great opportunities that you have in working with expats is that there is a concession on age limit and pre-existing conditions. Can you talk a little bit about that, both of you, please?
Well, mostly when expats plans to move out of United States, out of your country, okay, are people that are retired. So they should be around 60 years and older. So Panama, there are health insurance plans here in Panama. They only accept people until 60, 62, and the most is 64 years old. Okay, with the family medical care health insurance, even if you are 79 years old, you can apply.
So with the company that you work with, Pan American Life, you are able to offer expats who are older than 62 health insurance coverage. That's affordable.
Yeah,
Yes.
affordable. They offer maximum coverage of $50,000 per year renewable. So, which is a reasonable amount of money for medical expense here in Panama. You have to take in mind that medical expenses here in Panama are less than in United States. So $50,000 is more than enough for medical expenses here.
So I also understand that if you have some pre-existing conditions, there is a short waiting period. Luis,
Yeah.
can you talk a little bit about that?
Of course, it's important to say that our family medical care product has you can be accepted if you get up to 3 pre-existing conditions that's going to be completely covered. Okay, there is a waiting period that's usually in insurance process, and it takes 24 months. That's 2 years. So then past 2 years, you will be covered 50% of any persisting conditions that you have or you declare.
And from my own experience of working with you, you can opt to pay monthly, or you can pay quarterly, or you can put it on your credit card and have it automatically deducted. And so it's convenient.
That's right. We work with all methods of payment. Okay, you can do it monthly, which that's the one that I recommend to most of my clients. But if you wanna do it annually, you can also do your payment annually.
And the last time that I met with you guys, I didn't know that my health insurance also has a death benefit attached to it.
Yeah.
Talk to me about that.
The funeral service that in case that you pass away, of course, we will cover against reimbursement, of course, $1,000 in order to take care about the funeral service.
Well, that's an important addition to a health insurance policy. And actually, it's the first time I've ever heard of it because typically you have to buy a life insurance policy that's separate from your health insurance policy. But with you guys, you get a twofer. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Well, that's one of the benefits that the Family Medical Care Health Insurance offers. The funeral service, as well as medical consultation, laboratory exams, x-rays,
Knee replacements.
surgery, any kind of things. It's a very comprehensive insurance.
And what I am really excited about is that you also have a telemedicine program attached to your insurance policy. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to get it. You just need to download an app, that is ValidMed app. You just sign with your policy number certificate, and then you can be able to use that service. It's just doing your connection with a doctor, the practitioner, and it's like a video interview or something in order to know better your symptoms, and the doctor can send you the prescription through email, through WhatsApp, and you just go to the pharmacy and shop your medicine.
And so, Manuel, that makes it extremely convenient if you don't necessarily need to go to the hospital
Yes.
to
Definitely.
get that first assessment.
Definitely is one of the things that we recommend to all our clients to first do the telemedicine. And I mean, if the doctor think that you need something more specific, he will send you to emergency room. Okay, but if not, it will prescribe some medications and you can take it home. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything.
And as we talked before, there are some wellness options like being able to have nutritional advice.
Well, yeah, all those services are offered for the insurance company. Okay, in order to, how you say, minimize the risk, for the clients. The better you care for your health, you are going to need to go to the hospitals.
And that's the best advice that I think anyone can receive. And at almost 70 years old, I have to tell you that, working with your insurance advisors to get my policy done, to make sure I understood everything that was being offered in the policy. And I actually had to go to emergency here because my blood pressure was up. I hadn't eaten all day and had been working and just drinking coffee. And when I saw what was happening, I went to the hospital nearest me and was provided for. And then when I sent my billing through to you guys, I had a great reimbursement experience from your customer service people. And then I was off to Spain for my vacation with no worries.
Well, that's one of the things that I believe is making us that people refer us, because we try very hard to service all our clients. We have a customer service department, that will take care of you anytime, 24/7. Okay, it's not, we are not here only to sell the health insurance. We offer you first customer service all the time.
Yes.
So I know that you are affiliated with one of the oldest private hospitals here in Panama City, San Fernando Hospital. How long has that relationship been going on?
Well, for almost we see 2012.
Okay, so that's an established relationship, and we're actually, very, very pleased that Expat Pros Advice gets an opportunity to not only work with you, but hopefully with San Fernando Hospital, so that we can provide expats here in Panama with just-in-time information for state-of-the-art hospital facilities and the best insurance company in Panama.
Yeah, that's why.
That's correct.
The Family Medical Care Health Insurance within his network has Hospital San Fernando here in the city, San Fernando Clinic in Coronado. There is one new hospital in Azuero, okay, and the two major private hospitals in Chiriquí, Hospital Chiriquí and Mel Luis. So you will have coverage in the whole country. Yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks. You've had a seat at the table with the premier health insurance advisors in Panama City. Manuel, Luis, thank you so much for sitting with us today and having a seat at our table.
Thank you.
very much.
Thank you.